Essenson DIY slime kit. And then in the next video, I will do this icky sticky chemistry. So be sure to like and subscribe. Okay, so first of all, I have to get this box open. So it has this little thing that I can just take out. Just take it out. And just in case, I have my scissors here. Ooh! And then it comes with all these ingredients and stuff. Oh, and also if you would like to buy this kit, I have a link down in the description below. So one thing it comes with is these rainbow foam beads, also these blue foam beads, pink foam beads, and these big like rainbow foam beads. And then it comes with some fishbowl beads, some rainbow fishbowl beads, some yellow fishbowl beads, some blue fishbowl beads, and some green fishbowl beads. This stuff is falling. And then I have some glitters, some golden glitter, like a rose. It's kind of hard for me to figure out what color this is. Rose gold-ish, pink, and blue glitter. It also comes with these like knife thingies, like tools. And then let's open this up. Comes with 2 straws to make bubbles. And then there is yellow, orange, blue, pink, green, yellow, red, it's falling, purple, blue. I'm gonna check out one of these. It has like no scents at all. So since I got another set for Christmas, I'm gonna be using some of these scents from it. I have cherry, blue raspberry, and green apple. I think you're just supposed to put in these ingredients into your slimes because the slimes come pre-made. So, yeah. So, before I put the foam beads, I'm gonna test out the texture of this slime. So it's not very stretchy. It's kind of stretchy, but not as much. And I'm gonna see if I can make a slime swirl. I can. It's not stretchy enough to be able to. So I'm gonna check if I can make bubbles in this just to make sure. Just to see. Because sorry, I might sound a little sick because I am sick. Okay. Let me try one more time. I'm okay, but the stretchability, I give it a 1 out of 10 for stretchability. Since it's blue, I'm gonna put blue raspberry. 1 drop for now. Okay, so I'm mixing in the foam beads, but I'm gonna see if I can kind of stretch it now. Let's put this one in the container and move on to the next one. Okay, so next I'm going to be reviewing this yellow slime. So first of all, I'm going to open it and check out the texture to see if it's the same or different than the other one. So, feeling it, feels very similar to the other one. And let's see if it can stretch. Well, this one can stretch better than the other one though. It's pretty nice because it looks like gold. So I think I'm just going to put green apple. 1 drop. 1 drop should be enough for like these smaller slimes since they're smaller than other slimes. Next, I'm gonna check if they can make bubbles. Okay. So, both of them did not work for the bubble test. Technical difficulties with the bag. Okay, I finally got it open. Now I'm just gonna make a small hole because I don't want it to like fly everywhere once I put it in. Up, over. That looks nice. It looks like gold leaf, which I haven't put in any of my slimes before. That's nice. Now I'm gonna add some of the fishbowl beads, but the fishbowl beads don't come in plastic bags, so I recommend that you just take off a little piece of the corner so that you can just go like that, put in some, and then if you put it up like that, it won't come out. So now I'm putting the fishbowl beads in. This slime is really nice. Now it has like a better texture, but I'm not, they're all just falling out. Okay, I think it's doing better. Even though some of them are still falling out. Stop! Stop falling out. So now I'm moving on to the final slime I'm going to do for this video. So I have this pink one, and I'm going to open it up. Technical difficulties. Turning. This is the slime. So, this one's pretty nice. It has a nice color and everything. But I think that all of the slimes in this are like, they don't stretch that well. So on the stretchy side, I give it a thumbs down instead of a thumbs up for the stretchiness. So now I'm gonna see if it can blow bubbles. Okay, it does not want to blow bubbles. So I put in a drop, closing it up. By the way, if you would like to get the scents, these are from Slimy Gloop. Okay. So now that I've got the scent in, I'm gonna choose some items to put inside of it. It has a nice poke, and now after I just look at it, look at that, that's nice. Also, to all the people on Musical.ly, go check out my best friend's Musical.ly, Saley09, because she makes nice videos. She's my classmate in school and my best friend at school. And this is really nice. Okay, time to review some pros and cons. First of all, one pro, I'm going to be doing the pros first. One pro is that it comes with a lot of ingredients. It comes with glitter, foam beads, and fishbowl beads. So it has like a lot of stuff that you can add in. It also comes with straws and like these tools. So, and also the slimes come pre-made, which I thought was nice. Now for some cons. It didn't come with any scents, and all the slimes, if I didn't add a scent, smelt like nothing. So I wish they would have put some scents in there. And also I wish they would let me make the slimes, because the slimes, everything, stuff kept falling out of it. And also, finally, I have one more con. They're not stretchy. I don't know if they could really be called slime if they're not stretchy. So, yeah, those are the pros and cons. I think you could get the kit if you wanted like all these stuff, but I don't really recommend getting the kit if you want to like mostly play with the slimes. I recommend getting the kit if you want all the stuff that comes with it, that comes with the slimes. But the slimes, if you're like if you've never played with slime before ever, then you should. I don't really recommend getting this kit. I recommend getting like a starter kit so you can know how to make slime and stuff like that. So yeah, that's my pros, cons, and if you should buy it. Goodbye. Make sure to like and subscribe and check out my other videos. Goodbye. Okay, so time for me to review some pros and cons. So, some pause. Was the pros the good?